Morning, Dodger. You want a Billy Squatch, eh? So I get to walk out here this morning. I've got Dodgy here waiting on the lounge for love and attention. Got Ellie. There's Pippa. And the basketball hoop we finally got up. Over here we got Mr. Jeremy. Dodger still wants pats. So Jeremy's just hanging out in the front yard too, right near the slops bucket, of course. And then over here, look at this. We've got some sheep. And then even beyond there, there's a duck. That's why we live out in the farm, isn't it, Dodgy? Pretty.